Shubhodaya. Good morning, all. Last week I talked about believer and the experiencer. The believer, if you ask the address for this venue, if somebody says they believe this is the way, then you will take second opinion. If somebody asks you if yoga is good, if you say, I believe so, you won't inspire others into the path of yoga. There is a difference between a novice and a guru. Novice work from the belief point, whereas a guru talks from the personal experience. The belief and experience, personal experience, there is a wide, huge difference. In Upanishad talks about doing action with knowledge and personal experience, the one becomes very strong. The Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad talks about Yadeva Vidyaya Karoti Shraddhaya Upanishadam Tadeva Virya Vattaran Bhavati. If you want to become strong, very strong in life, physically, mentally, spiritually strong, they were not from the belief point. Shraddha, faith should be there, intense belief, intense conviction should be there, and doing as per the guidelines of the Shastras. Shastras with knowledge, when you discharge any action, that the outcome is magnanimous. It will be the beautiful manifestation comes out through you when you do it with conviction. This dimension, it is talked in 4 levels. To do anything, 4 things are required. One is interest should be there. Second one is intent should be there. Third one is intensity should be there. Fourth one is intelligence. The mark of a person who is becoming a genius. The path a genius follows. It is talked about in the 4. One is interest. I ask people to bring their children. They say, my children do not have any interest. So, first itself I'm gone. No interest, I can't progress. The second one, intent should be there. I should have make an intent with an intent, intent of experiencing. I should have an intent. With a good intent start. If I do not have an interest, out of compulsion I come and no interest and negative intent, and I won't enjoy. With good intent, you start. The third one, you have to dive deep into the experience further. You have to have intensity. Without intensity, just intent won't take you. I want to experience further, that is called as interest. The fourth one is the application part, intelligence. Intelligence is the one you are able to apply it in your day-to-day life. Application part. The first is your interest, intent. The third one is the intensity. Fourth one is intelligence. When 4 are combined, this is the path of a genius. The path of the genius takes these 4 paths. These 4 are called in also called in Shastras as Priya, Moda, Pramoda, and Ananda. These 4 are called as Priya. The Priya means you should like something. Then only Moda is more, you develop more happiness. Pramodam is personalized happiness. Ananda is you are elevating yourself to the highest plane. To give an example, if you hear about there is a party is happening, they invited you and you heard about some dishes. My favorite is jalebi. It seems live jalebi is happening. I'm so excited. Already excited, only heard, I have not seen. Priya, I love it. I love it. And Moda, I went there, I really saw hot jalebi. My happiness has gone up. That is called as Moda. And not only there, as the queue, I am in the queue, I got the jalebi in my hand, it is called as Pramoda. My happiness has gone further up. The fourth one is Ananda. It is having it in my hand and I'm tasting. That my Ananda is the fourth level. This fourth level, one who discharges action from the Ananda point is the best in you comes out. We are experiencing our actions not from the Ananda level, it is from the lower level, either Priya or Moda, and you discharge your action from the Ananda point, best in you comes out. In the medical terms, it is called as the first one is dopamine. Dopamine, you try something, think about some good things, your hormone is excreted, happiness. I'm thinking positive, already I'm feeling good. And you come to yoga class, you try first one, you for few hours you feel good. Endorphin hormone is secreted. And when you do the sadhana for sustained with intensity for few days, then serotonin hormone is secreted. You feel so good. You feel, and when you sustain that one, the fourth one is the highest level, you can't stop. It has become your second nature. It is called as oxytocin. Oxytocin has come, it has become your fourth nature. Nothing can stop you. You go to that one, awaken that hormone from dopamine, not just stop there, not only thinking about that one, endorphin, beyond that one, serotonin and the oxytocin, serotonin and oxytocin, serotonin and oxytocin. Go to the oxytocin, when you come there, that best in you, your nature has changed. Your nature has changed, nobody need not have to push you further. You are self-motivated. Ananda, the best in you comes out. And Upanishad talks about Shrunvanta Vishwe Amritasya Putraha Aye Dhamani Divyani Tastu. It is talking about bring out the best in you. Why you squander your life by playing the game in a lower level? Shrunvanta Vishwe. Oh world, listen to me. Come up. You play the game and bring out the best from you. You can do that one. You can elevate yourself. Play the game, and Tasmat Uttishta Kaunteya in the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna, Tasmat Uttishta Kaunteya, Yasho Labhastva, Jitva, get up. It is Sri Krishna is talking, Uttishta, Tasmat Tvam Uttishta, Yasho Labhastva, Jitva Shatrun Bhungshva Rajyam Samruddhvam. Mamaivaite nihata purvameva nimitta matram bhavasavya sachin. Shri Krishna says not to stop, not to play the game in an ordinary level. Why I have to do? Elevate yourself. Become a genius. Shri Krishna says, Uttishta, tasma, tum uttishta, yasho labhastu. Attain fame, attain prosperity. Elevate the morale of your community. Elevate the morale of the whole generation. Play the game from the Ananda. From the Ananda, fourth level. And when you play, and you can apply whatever you are learning in a day-to-day life. It is not just a myth. You can experience and apply in the day-to-day life. You have no choice but to play the game from the Ananda point. From the fourth level, oxytocin hormone has to be awakened. Then only best in you comes out. Talks about come, become a genius. Genius, not to discount yourself, I am ordinary. Elevate yourself. With this star, Sri Krishna talks about, with this star, get up and play the game from the higher point of view, higher plane.